So if these are the factors, I hope this doesn't confuse you guys, but if these are the factors, it wants to know what are the zeros. So that means there's some function a times x squared plus bx plus c, right? And then I got to go and factor it, right? So these are the factors, x minus 7 times the quantity x plus 3. And we got to set that equal to 0. So now to find the zeros, one way to guarantee that I get 0 is I have to say that this is equal to 0 because 0, and this is equal to 0 because 0 times 0 gives me 0, right? That's my 0. So in other words, what I'm saying is I have to set each factor equal to 0 to find the 0. So I got x minus 7 equals 0, and x plus 3 equals 0. Over here, I'm going to add 7 to both sides, and I get x equals 7. That's one of the zeros. And then here, I'm going to subtract 3 from both sides, and I get x equals negative 3. That's one of the other zeros. So this and this, those are the zeros.